Welcome friends. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Zoom app in laptop. To do that, you want to go ahead and simply click the Windows icon on your taskbar and type in the store, right? You'll find Microsoft Store. You can click on that and just simply use the search at the top. Hey guys, quick one before we continue. My team and I publish step-by-step tutorials on useful software, apps, and tools to help you get things done every single day. And so if you're finding these videos useful, I would really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. And of course, so that you'll never miss out when we release more tutorials just like this one. Now let's continue. To type in Zoom, you will find Zoom app, right? Just like that. You'll find the Zoom Workplace app. You click on it and all you have to do is hit install and you will be able to install it on your laptop. And that's pretty much all that you have to do. You will install it. It will be available for you to open once it is done, and you'll have the application on your computer. You can create an account, sign in, and you'll be able to use the Zoom app on your computer. And that's pretty much all there is to it, guys.